let's put this object on your left, right, or in the middle. Which side? Left, right, middle. Okay, let's put it right here. Now let's call in your psychic bird, Goldie. Now Goldie is our blue and gold macaw. Guys, do you think Goldie has the ability to find the hidden object? If you believe in Goldie, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find the hidden object for us. Where can it be, Goldie? And she found it! A round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie. Now our next featured birds are just like any married couples, monogamous, meaning they are partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Now let's meet Blue and once again Goldie, our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw. And today they will battle it out and who's the best in a basketball game. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you into two groups. Now for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Goldie. Come on girls, say Goldie, Goldie. Alright, now for the boys, let me hear you cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say Go Blue, Go Blue. Okay, so trainers first. Ready, set, go! Well, birds. Alright, here comes Blue with his first ball. Goldie, catch up. Here comes Goldie with his first ball. Second ball from Blue. Second ball from Goldie, and the winner is Blue! 1 point for the boys. What happened, Goldie? Better luck next time. Hey, Joseph, you guys lose this game. What can you say?
Goldie, tonight I want another race.
Another race?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie to lose again?
Ooh.
This time I'm gonna see you, Goldie and I will surely win.
All confident.
So what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race?
I'm thinking about a ring race.
Ring race? What is a ring race?
The first bird to catch up the 3 rings in the bowl, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
Okay, a ring race it shall be. And remember, boys have already 1 point, so let us cheer louder for Goldie to win this time. We'll be doing this again with a ring race. Trainers first, ready, set, go! Well, first, Goldie catch up. Here comes Blue with his first ring. Goldie! But what is this? Goldie's trying to pick up 3 rings at the same time, and Goldie wins this time! Wow! Great technique, Goldie. They also 3 rings at the same time from Goldie. What can you say about that?
Hey, you guys cheated.
Did you guys cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Goldie used her brain.
Oh, so is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Alright, give it up for Blue and Goldie. Alright, now this time I'll be needing an adult volunteer with a 20 peso